welcome to another episode of Just Listed by Zed. My bad. Welcome to another episode of Just Listed by Alejandro.
That's much better, Claudia.
So sorry.
Today, guys, we've got an offer: a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1 car in the heart of Clayton South. Let's go have a look.
Let's do it.
Whoa, Claudia, you've got to come have a look at this living area.
In summary, we're offering you 2 bedrooms, ensuite downstairs, 2 bathrooms, 1 car garage with a private garden, stainless steel appliances, stone bench tops throughout, hardwood flooring, high ceilings, mirrored wardrobes in the bedrooms, not to mention one amazing living area with a balcony overlooking the views. Don't miss out on this opportunity.
Claude, this property would be perfect for that first home buyer. It's roughly about a year old.
And it'd be an amazing investment opportunity as well.
Yeah, getting roughly around 450 per week.
It's great.
Great return, but most of all, the location.
I'd love to check out the location.
Let's go check it out.
All right, let's do it. I love this fruit shop, and you weren't joking about location, were you?
Not at all. 3 minutes away from the townhouse. It's an amazing place. The location is great. I'm done for the week. Let's go get a coffee.
Done. Let's do it. This is actually the best coffee I've had in Clayton.
You think this is the best coffee? Wait till you try the cakes.
Yes.
Amazing.
Now you're talking.
Well, there you go, guys. Close to transportation, local coffee shop, the local butcher, the local supermarket. There is no better location. What do you think, Claudia?
I think you've sold it to me. Guys, please stay tuned for next week's episode of Just Listed by Alejandro.
Bye for now.